For the first time ever, scientists have successfully used lion DNA to prosecute poachers in Africa in what could be a breakthrough in wildlife crime investigations.
A study funded in part by British lottery money was able to identify an individual animal from body parts found in a suspect's village. Our correspondent Angus Crawford can tell us more.
A powerful new weapon in the fight against the men who kill lions for money. This scientist, trained in the UK, must remain anonymous for his own safety.
This is the first time this is being done in Africa. Before we had access to this technology, we were only able to do species identification, but sometimes that's not enough.
He's created a complete DNA database of all the lions in Zimbabwe. But how does that stop the killing? The answer lies here, near Victoria Falls, in Hwange National Park. It's only now emerged that in 2024, investigators found the body parts of a lion in a nearby village. They took DNA, compared it with the database, and identified the individual animal. 2 poachers were caught and sent to prison. That's a world first.
Over 230 of them are actually in breach of the CITES regulations.
But the trade in endangered species is a growing global problem. Here, specimens intercepted in the UK, lions sold as trophies or for traditional medicine. Numbers have halved in just 30 years. Captive breeding programmes are one way of protecting the species. At least they're safe here. But lions in the wild are at risk across Africa, which is why this prosecution sends such a powerful message to the poaching gangs. A prosecution in part enabled by British expertise and British money. Over the last 8 years, lottery players have provided £250,000 in funding to the DNA project.
I think it's a message of hope. You can steal things or you can take things illegally, but then you have to somehow offload that and monetize it. And if we can make that a very difficult process and elevate the risk associated with that for people, then so much the better.
This groundbreaking database, a model for the rest of Africa, protecting lions one by one. Angus Crawford, BBC News.